Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for Thursday, and we are now at the 16th of June, 2022. You hear my voice cracking? I am back from a severe case of COVID. I got hit Monday afternoon. Funny part is I tested Monday with the home test, negative, no problem. Went to bed, woke up real sick early. I get up 3:34 early, 1 in the morning going, wow, I don't feel good. Did whatever, took a test, COVID. Ran to the clinic, verified COVID. There was a screw up in the medicine. I didn't get my right medicines until yesterday, Wednesday. I'm here talking to you. Lungs are killing me on either side. I'm on all kinds of inhalers and all. Caught it in time, apparently. But I had 3 vaccines. It just shows you it works. Yes, I got COVID, so don't write me about that. I'm alive. I'm talking, and I'm not in a hospital. That's what the vaccine does and the medicine. Everybody pay attention. If I felt strong on it before, I'm an animal now. So in looking at the markets, if you can put up with the voice, today we saw the Swiss National Bank surprisingly join the parade. 0.5 basis point rate hike. They're now a negative 0.25. It's the first time they've raised their rates in a decade. Bank of England, a disappointment. They only went up a 0.25 point. Market was hoping a half. When you see this morning's economic data, you can make your own judgment. I say we're in a recession already, but let's go to the market. The press is not playing up that you're not at $4.50 wholesale prices of gasoline. You're back to $3.84. That is going to come to play in the market. You're no longer in the 124 area. You're at 117, not in the 122, 111. Something is going on. Pay attention. Grains are going to be all over the board. It's a growing season. The exports for the week were terrible. They were at the very low end of estimates. At least they were in the estimates. Dollar giving things up is now you're seeing the race, and I want to use the race. Even though the Bank of England only did a 0.25 point, the fact that it's 5 increases in a row, the market at first dropped the market. Now it has come back. The Swiss franc's up 260 points. You're probably looking at a near-term top in the dollar. And these markets coming alive there. Metal markets, well, that could be a backwind. In other words, the tail for that. When you look at the copper, I think it's telling you world markets are realizing we're going into a recession. I have not, because I did no work over 48 hours. Kept up with what China's doing with Shanghai and Beijing. I will do it. I'm only going to work part day today because I'm still under the weather by quite a bit. But in any case, I'm sorry I hit that one. Here we go. And let me get to this for you. There we are. Let's go to the jobless data. Down 3,000 at 229. They expected it at 220. That's not meeting the number. Housing starts. Housing's in a recession. End of discussion. 14% down in the starts. They expected down 2.5%. The permits down 7%. 6.25% mortgages will do that. Philly Fed, look at the negatives here. They expected a positive 4.8, negative 3.3. Look at all the prior numbers. So you're in a big problem there. So when you look at it all, the question that you have to ask yourself is, just where might this lead us? Well, it certainly isn't going to be friendly in the stock markets. Let me come back to where we're at. These markets will be under pressure. They'll anticipate the recession. They'll wait for the press to say it, but the market will have priced it in. So by the time it gets to the point where you can formally say, we're there, the stock market might be on its way to a bottom. Wouldn't surprise me. Those are the things I'm looking at. Assuming I feel good, you'll all see me this afternoon with my market wrap up if I can talk. You have a great day. Talk to you all tomorrow.